Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. And Taurus, let's go a little deeper today. Let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what are your mutual energies now. So, yes, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Taurus gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Taurus, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how the angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, message, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus, please. My angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the card I have for you is this one. All right. Let's keep this card here, Taurus. Put the rest back. And the card I have here for you is marriage. Your situation could have something to do with marriage. Maybe having an upcoming new marriage, or maybe something concerning an old marriage, maybe leaving somebody behind, or maybe starting a new relationship. I don't know. Let's put this card here, Taurus, and see why this marriage card is out for you. And yes, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel and for all your likes and your comments, all the love that you send me. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, with that said, let's begin our reading, Taurus. And newbies, let me explain this to you. I'm setting down now 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energy. Now, you decide which side you resonate best with, okay? Because we all know where we are, who we are. Okay. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh my God, Taurus, dealing with a magician in reverse, dealing with a trickster. So, yes, let's see what's happening here. I don't like this person, whoever this is. Queen of Swords, okay, I like that energy. Page of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Hermit, and the Sun. Beautiful. Okay, let's see for person B. The Empress, the Fool, Page of Cups, 9 of Cups, 8 of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so Taurus, from the first look that I have here for person A's side, I feel person A now has their sword up. Okay, they want to kind of put a halt to a relationship, maybe release it, let it go. Maybe they are only concerned about their stability and, well-being at the moment. So there's a lot of thinking about that as to how to do this to gain their own happiness now. Where person B is concerned, now they know that they have an Empress in hand, but they're now feeling very foolish about something they've done, because now they don't know how to kind of apologize or maybe take a love offer. There is no emotional happiness left here. Person B is in a self-imposed prison right now. They're overthinking right now as to how to get the Wheel of Fortune moving once again in their favor. Okay, so this side could be this magician who's maybe a very controlling person who likes to be like a dictator. So this person is going back and forth in their mind as to what to do. Maybe it's concerning their home, their stability, or something. They don't want it to backfire on them. Okay, so these cards are really flowing today for you, Taurus. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Taurus, first we'll take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you and this person had to say something to each other, what that would be. So, Taurus and that person, spirit. Of course, Taurus, you could be on this side, you could be on that side, right? So, flip the energy as you see fit. Taurus and their person, spirit. They had to say something to each other now. Okay. One more. Taurus and the person. Let's take a few more from here. Taurus and their person. And I'm going to take a few true confessions as well to see what this trickster is all about. One more. Last one more. Okay, thank you. So Taurus, we can begin now. Okay. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. I have one person saying, I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. Now this person is now feeling like a fool, that they never kind of gave to the connection when it was time, and maybe they were the cause of their empress's wishes, dreams not coming true. So they're saying, yes, I'm trying to change now. I'm trying to be the kind of person you've always wanted. Have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. Yes, they are feeling their partners on their way out. No wonder this person is in their head, overthinking, thinking, oh my God, my empress is leaving me or something like that. So they're getting that feeling that they suspect that their person has already found somebody else. I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. That's the answer. I'm considering it. I didn't want to break up our relationship. I never thought, our marriage or relationship would ever break up. It was never on my, I never thought this day would ever come. But, the way things are going, I'm considering it seriously that I should move on with a new soulmate now. I don't feel threatened by the karmic anymore. They're just playing their role. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. Maybe these were some of the issues that came between the two of you. Maybe the masculine here, from what I see, didn't give attention to their partner, and or vice versa. And now they're realizing, yes, the grass wasn't greener on the other side, and I'm losing an empress here. I'm losing a perfect partner. I'll always remember you. You're unforgettable. Of course, now all those thoughts come because just know that I'm sorry. I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? Maybe that's the reason this Queen of Swords has picked up her sword now. Always felt abandoned, always felt alone while somebody was checking out the grass on the other side. I'm a completely new and better person because of you. Maybe that's what they're trying to project now, because now this could be the truth, could be not, because I do see a trickster energy here. Okay? So let's clarify these cards and see what's going on. Queen of Swords Spirit for... yes, this person's picked up their sword. They want to be now single, independent, and do things for themselves now. They want to take back charge, take back control of their own life. They have their sword up now. Hey, listen, enough is enough. I'd rather be single. I'd rather look after myself. I am putting a halt to this connection. I'm on the verge of releasing it now. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think this feminine has lost her love now. It's all drained out. Maybe they were connected with a person who was a little emotionally distant, maybe never was romantic, never showed emotions. And this queen kept pouring her love till she got depleted. And now it's time maybe this for this queen to move on. Four of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this person wants to now move on to a creative new beginning for themselves. They want to be single, they want to be independent, they want to maybe start some creative project of their own, they want to be moving on after releasing something that never really worked for them. They want to now concentrate on themselves, their own stability, their own finances, their own life, maybe even as just a single person. Better to be, yes, maybe they're going towards their King of Pentacles. I don't know. This person could maybe already having somebody in mind who they think is an equal counterpart. Queen of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles. Maybe this is the someone better that this person is suspecting. That maybe you found somebody better who treats you better than I do. Hermit Spirit. Why is this person now in hermit mode, person A? After such beautiful energy. I don't think this person wants to be in a third party situation right now. They want to leave something which is troubling them behind and then move to a new, calmer, happier space in their life before they can kind of find their happiness. They are right now, I think, in hermit mode. They are still contemplating how is it going to work, or maybe they are also kind of going over things of how to make this work. Also, I think a little bit of healing is going on because maybe they were in a toxic relationship where one person was always trying to control them, or it was always my way or the highway. This is the way I want things done. They were always beaten down. So it's going to take a little bit of alone time, a little bit of spiritual healing time before this person can get over the maybe trauma that they've suffered in this connection. And yes, they need to heal. They need to mentally, emotionally move away from this, troubled times that they've been in before they can move to their own happiness. The Sun Spirit, Sun. Why is the Sun here? Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, this person is going to now defend their own life now. They're going to be very defensive. They're going to now protect themselves because they know what they want. They want the Ace of Pentacles, a fresh, stable, new beginning with pure happiness. Okay? So if this person is going to try and come and kind of do any kind of trickery here, I think this person is becoming stronger in their spirituality. They're healing and they are learning to defend themselves now because they have their eyes on the prize. All right, so let's see person B. Person B, why is the Empress here, Spirit, for person B? Person B. My God, this person is very, very stressed out now. They are now realizing what a balanced, beautiful energy their Empress was. And now they want to kind of bring her back or maybe find some balance in this connection once again. But now this person is totally having sleepless nights, stressed out, because now they feel, oh my God, I made a foolish mistake here. I let somebody go who was the most healing part of my life. I had an Empress in hand and I let her go. The Fool in reverse, Spirit. Fool in reverse. Fool in reverse. Yes, this person is now realizing that they were probably quite selfish in the past. They were only, concerned about their 9 cups. I have my 9 cups, my arms are folded, I'm happy, and I don't care about that 1 cup that you want, that Ace of Cups, which should bring my partner emotional happiness, right? So now this person is feeling like maybe they made a big mistake, overindulging maybe in their greed or their. Now they want to come and apologize, they want to say sorry, they want their happiness back, they want their wish fulfillment back. But right now, I don't think that's happening. Why is the Page of Cups here, Spirit? Because now they know the truth of what they're losing. The clarity has come to them now. Yes, they want to re-begin with this Empress now. They don't want to let her go. They don't want to let her go. Why is the Page of Cups in reverse then, Spirit? Why is the Page of Cups in reverse? This person is still sneaky. This person is still a liar. Please, I don't know who this is for. Even if they're coming towards you with an apology and saying, hey, listen, I'm speaking the truth here, I want a re-beginning, they're lying. This apology is not heartfelt. This is not being told the truth here. This person is still kind of manipulating or cheating or lying, and they're only doing it because they are not happy. 9 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups. Yes, they feel they won't be happy if this chapter shuts down. This stresses them out. They want to always be in this position, Taurus. I am happy, I am happy, I am happy. But now if my partner leaves me, then I'm unhappy, I'm unhappy, I'm unhappy. 9 of Cups in reverse. Why are they stressed out? Because if this chapter ends, then that stresses this person out big time. Now I have the cards twice here for them. 9 of Swords and 9 of Swords. Oh my God, if this chapter shuts down, I will be stuck. I don't know for what reason. Maybe because they feel their partner brings instability or finances or just keeps them balanced, or there are children, or I don't know what. But this person feels if this chapter shuts down, it's going to put me in a very difficult position. And they are ready to lie, do anything to apologize, to keep this relationship moving. They want the luck to stay on their side. Wheel of Fortune, Spirit. Why is the Wheel of Fortune here? Yes, they just want their wish fulfillment, and they just want this conflict to end. They want that, bury everything under, or just, push everything under the rug, and let's forget whatever has happened before, and let's just keep moving on. Is that correct, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune, one more card. Wheel of Fortune. Yes, this person now wants to have movement once again. They don't want this chapter to end, Taurus. They want things to keep moving the way they were. They don't want any conflict. They want things to heal between the two of you, so that, of course, don't put it in the comments that no, never, and I don't want to. This is just a general spread, Taurus. Maybe your story, may not be your story. And if there's a message in here for you, take it. If it resonates, let me know. If it doesn't, maybe some other reader you'll connect to, right? So what you want to do as a solution, it's absolutely up to you. But we'll see where your energies are aligning. 6 of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the 4 of Wands. My God, what's happening here? 6 of Cups, Spirit. 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups is clarified by the 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups, Spirit. 6 of Cups. What's the 6 of Cups for Taurus? Ace of Swords. Beautiful center energy. 4 of Wands. 4 of Wands. There are two things here. A big transformation is coming to the way things were right now, Taurus. For some of you, you could be stuck between two soulmates here. Okay, I think you're going to be taking some time to think long and hard, take some rest, Four of Swords energy, meditate, pray, whatever, and think about which of these two soulmates you want to go back to. Okay, yes, there are passionate new beginnings coming. Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Three of Cups. Okay, so now this is all happiness, new beginnings, exciting energy, but this could be coming together, celebration. Uh, but this could be a choice between two. Who do you want to celebrate with? Who do you want to reunite with? Which of these soulmates do you want to be with? So there's going to be, I think, either way. I'm not sure. But yes, you're headed towards the Four of Wands, but after you kind of go check both your options out, I think. You'll really need to be very clear about who you want to have this passionate new beginning with, because it's coming. One way or the other, you're going to have happiness. You're going to have happiness. The Four of Wands for you is secure one way or the other. Okay, it's just that you have to find your own strength right now and take some time out to think about who you really want, who you want to reunite with. This is going to be a major choice. So it's going to be different for all of you, Taurus. Some of you may just go back to this person because this person is also realized. They also have realized that you are their empress. They are sorry. They want to change. They don't want to let you go. They want things to start moving. But from what I see of you, you may have somebody else in mind. I don't know. But either way, I see you in a very stable position. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Take care, love and light. Namaste.